Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight, prices are about unchanged in the grains, maybe beans up a little bit, wheat down a little bit. Outside market looks like stock market is trading like there's going to be a trade deal, while the rest of the markets, the crude, the dollar, and the grains are trading like there's not going to be a deal. So over the weekend, the Commerce Secretary said China's reluctance to commit to a specific amount of farm purchases remained a sticky point in talks, and the U.S. is reluctant to roll back tariffs. We might extend this thing all the way to December 15th, when the U.S. is expected to raise tariffs on additional U.S. China goods. Midwest weather forecasts, it looks like midweek we might get some rain across the Midwest. Temperatures actually turn warmer than normal midweek. The models try to have a mixed with precip in the region next week. The 6 to 10 day outlook is a bit below average rainfall for the region. So we're going to try to get harvest done in between these showers. The corn harvest is expected to be about 75 to 77% done, beans 92 to 94%. So that probably that last 15% of the corn harvest is going to be interesting with this type of weather and as late as it is. As far as export inspections are concerned, again, corn and wheat pace is behind level to reach the USDA goal, while the bean number is still a good number. We expect that exports being somewhere around 45, maybe corn at 25, and wheat somewhere around 16 to 17. Last week, the funds were net on Friday. The funds were sellers of 4,000 wheat, 12,000 corn. They bought 3,000 beans. We show that they're short about 11,000 wheat, 130 corn, and long about 30,000 beans. So they're kind of adding a little bit to their wheat and corn short, and taking off a little bit of their soybean long. Again, looking at 2021, we keep hearing talks about higher corn and bean acres in the U.S., no weather problems in South America, and watching pretty closely Chinese demand and what they're going to buy or not buy. So that offers some resistance to the marketplace. USDA is currently using a 2021 U.S. bean carrot of 530. The range of guesses on private analysts is 550 to 670. In corn, the USDA is using a 2735 carryout. Guesses range from 2425 to 2550. And in the wheat, USDA is using 921. Guesses anywhere from 895 to a billion bushels. So again, 2020 looks to be a negative year for prices if we have good South American weather, if farmers plant more acres, if we have normal weather here in the United States, and if the Chinese do not buy this big shopping list of U.S. goods that the U.S. wants them to do to sign phase one of any trade deal. Washington politics getting ugly, and that might be offering some resistance to the U.S. dollar and maybe to the energy market. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.